What if your home in 2040 knows when you're stressed and makes you tea before you ask for it? In today's video, we dive into the mind-blowing predictions of AI-powered smart homes for the year 2040 and compare them to the reality of what we actually have in 2025. Are we really moving toward fully autonomous homes, or is this all just sci-fi fantasy? Why stay till the end? Because we're not just dreaming, we're fact-checking, exposing big gaps and showing you the unexpected truths about what your future home will and won't do. The dream. What experts envision for 2040. By 2040, futurists believe your home will be alive with intelligence. Think of an AI assistant that doesn't just follow commands, it anticipates your needs, your emotions, even your health risks. Imagine waking up in 2040. The curtains open at exactly the right moment based on your REM sleep cycle. Your mirror scans your face and alerts you to dehydration or illness. The AI has already adjusted your breakfast to match your macros and vitamin needs. Your home isn't a place anymore, it's a personal caretaker. Key features expected by 2040 include emotion-sensitive AI that detects mental health signals through voice and facial cues, predictive home maintenance that identifies issues before they occur, like a leak behind a wall or a faulty circuit, hyper-personalized environments where lighting, scent, temperature, and sound all adjust in real time to your mood. The idea is no longer about controlling your house with a phone app. The vision is a home that becomes invisible. You don't interact with it, it just works. But now, let's twist the lens. How close are we to that dream right now? The current reality. What 2025 smart homes actually do. The truth is, today's smart homes are miles away from this 2040 vision. Yes, we have smart speakers, connected appliances, voice assistants, and even some automation. But here's the catch, they're not that smart. Most homes in 2025 still rely on user input. You have to tell Alexa to dim the lights, you have to program your smart thermostat. And even then, the AI doesn't understand context or intent. Let's break it down. Voice assistants still struggle with multi-step commands or understanding sarcasm, frustration, or emotional cues. Smart fridges can track expiry dates but can't actually generate meal plans aligned to your dietary goals. Home security systems often rely on motion sensors and cameras that are reactive, not predictive. Many systems still don't integrate well, meaning your smart light may not talk to your smart lock unless you spend hours setting up custom routines. And here's the twist. 95% of US homes aren't even equipped with full automation. That's not just a tech issue, it's a cost and compatibility problem. What's holding us back? So why aren't we closer to the 2040 vision? First, privacy. People are still deeply skeptical about having always-on cameras and listening devices. And let's be honest, big tech hasn't exactly earned our trust. Second, fragmentation. Different brands use different platforms. One brand's lights won't work with another's hub. This lack of standardization is a nightmare for average users. Third, AI limitations. Real-world environments are messy, complex, and unpredictable. AI still struggles with nuance. For example, it might recognize your voice but not distinguish between you being tired or angry, two very different emotional states. Lastly, there's the issue of cost and access. The cutting-edge tech showcased in smart home expos is often unaffordable for average homeowners. That's a class divide we'll need to bridge before this becomes mainstream. So while we have pieces of the puzzle, we're nowhere near the self-aware homes futurists are dreaming of. AI breakthroughs that could change everything by 2040. Now here's where things get interesting. There are cutting-edge technologies in development right now that could turn the 2040 vision into a reality. Neural interfaces like Elon Musk's Neuralink could one day allow direct brain-to-home control. Ambient AI systems like Google's Project Astra aim to create context-aware environments that learn from gestures, expressions, and routines. Edge computing could allow faster, more private AI processing without sending data to the cloud. AI health diagnostics using bathroom sensors and mirrors could predict disease from your face or even urine samples. The most exciting part? These aren't concepts. These are prototypes. Some are already in limited use. If these breakthroughs scale, we could see homes that are emotionally intelligent, proactive, and deeply integrated into our lives. Not just homes that respond, but ones that coexist. But the real question is, will people accept this level of intimacy? The psychological impact. Will humans be comfortable? Living in a hyper-smart home sounds cool until you realize you're constantly being watched. There's a psychological toll to always being monitored, even if it's for your benefit. As AI begins to interpret mood swings, behavioral patterns, even speech changes, we'll have to confront a serious question. Where do we draw the line? Will you feel comfortable knowing your mirror can detect a potential illness before your doctor can? Will you feel okay with your AI suggesting you take a walk because your tone sounds depressed? And what happens when that data is sold, leaked, or hacked? We are entering a world where the walls may have ears and emotions. The convenience could come at the price of privacy, autonomy, and human spontaneity. For the dream to succeed, trust must be built not just in the tech, but in the companies behind it. So, smart homes in 2040, will they be the perfect assistant or the ultimate overseer? What we know is this: AI will be the brain, the sensors will be the eyes, and your home will be alive. But will it understand you better than you understand yourself? And more importantly, will you be okay with that? Let's open this discussion up. Comment below. Would you live in a fully AI-powered home if it meant giving up some privacy? Or do you think the future needs a human-first design, not a tech-first one? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because we've got more deep dives into AI, tech, and the future coming your way.